In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can tell if you're using the Filmora Pro, Filmora perpetual license, or using the free version, or maybe you're using the unregistered version that you acquire with some other method. But basically, the easiest way to tell if you are using Filmora that is legitimate is by going to this menu that's located next to the export button. You can click on it. It's the account menu, and you can tell the subscription that you're using on your Filmora account. Right now, I'm using perpetual license, which is no longer available. So basically, it's going to be whether or not you're using the Pro subscription, which means you have to pay every month or maybe every year, or you might be using the free version. But regardless, the information should be available right here. Now, another way to tell if you're using the Filmora Pro or free is by exporting a video. If you see this watermark, this is one screenshot of someone using Filmora free version. You're going to see this big watermark that's kind of in the way of the video and definitely doesn't look professional at all. So that's an indication that you're using the free version. If you have bought Filmora and you still see this message, then maybe you have to log into your Filmora account and just verify your identity, and then eventually you can enjoy the full version, the Pro version of Filmora that doesn't come with this annoying watermark. Now, another way to tell if you're using the free version, the perpetual license, or the other, subscription model that you have in Filmora is by going to the help menu and then click about Wondershare ID or activate Wondershare Filmora. So it's going to open a browser window, and you can either log into your Filmora account to verify the identity, the user of this Filmora software, and if you have paid for it, and usually you should be able to log in smoothly without any problem. So that's basically just the three ways you can tell to just to see if you are using the Filmora Pro, Filmora Free, or some other versions of the software. But in any case, I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.